Hello, everyone, and welcome to this week's eGuide newsletter. This week, we're diving into the world of social media and unlocking some of its incredible benefits. Now, social media is constantly evolving, but with some effort and a willingness to learn, you can use it to market your brand and improve some of your personal skill sets. In this edition, we're going to explore some Pinterest strategies. With over 400 million users, it might be time to start adding Pinterest to your social media toolkit. So be sure to check out our What Do I Do with Pinterest article. Plus, we'll showcase TikToks that will teach you all about ChatGPT and our 10 TikToks that can help you learn ChatGPT article. And finally, we'll help you decide if collaborating with an influencer is the right move for your brand with our Should You Be Using an Influencer for Content Creation article. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover some of the full potential of social media.